How to use AI filter on TikTok after the new update. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can go ahead and use AI filter on TikTok after the new update. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So all you're going to want to go ahead and do is click the plus sign as if you're going to go ahead and create a TikTok video. So go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you guys can see that I'm currently on my screen right now. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on effects. Now this is going to actually show up your face here. And all you're going to have to do is you're going to want to go to the discover effects and you're going to want to go ahead and search up AI portrait. Now once you go ahead and find AI portrait, just go ahead and click on it. Now you can see here that you're gonna have to center your face. Now let me go ahead and click on it again. You guys can see you're gonna have to center your face. So basically all you're gonna want to go ahead and do is just do that, center your face, and it's gonna go ahead and give you your AI filter. So that's how you go ahead and get the AI art filter on TikTok, guys. So it's fairly simple to do, guys, but with that being said, hopefully you found this video extremely helpful, and if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.